Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. I am back with the question answer series, students. This is chapter 8 of class 4. हाँ चलो शुरू करें सीधा chapter 8 of class 4 is LibreOffice Impress. Let's go directly to the question and answers, है ना. Section A, fill in the blanks. A presentation is a collection of slides dash arranged in the systematic order. The answer is slides. A presentation is widely used to present dash and dash effectively, means and ideas. To open LibreOffice Impress file, click dash button on the standard toolbar. Open. To run a slideshow, you can press dash key F5. In LibreOffice Impress, the files are saved with the extension -.odp. Stay true and false. LibreOffice Impress is the presentation software program. True. On starting LibreOffice Impress, a blank presentation named as slide 1 appears on the screen. False. You can save your presentation by using the Ctrl+S key combination. To close LibreOffice Impress application, click on the File menu Exit button. The shortcut to create a new presentation in Ctrl+N key combination. True. Application based questions. Suruchi teacher has asked her to make a presentation on sports day. By adding minimum 10 slides in the presentation, suggest her how to add slides with the colorful text. The answer is by using File Wizard option. Please ignore the handwriting. Maybe it is wrong, but please listen to me. Sorry for the bad handwriting of the student. Raghav has selected the title slide layout while creating a presentation. Now he wants to change the slide layout. How can he do that? By choosing slide layout option. Multiple choice questions. The first slide of presentation is selected as answer is title slide. To enter text in the placeholder dash inside it, double click. The dash toolbar contains the shortcut icons for the most frequently used commands. Standard. The dash contains thumbnail pictures of slide in a presentation. Slide pane. Answer the following. How is presentation different from slide? An Impress presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively on any topic. People in business world use it to present information about this products or company. Teachers can use presentation to prepare their plans. You can create visual impact on audience. List the uses of presentation. Teachers can use presentation to prepare their lesson plan. Using Impress presentation, one can create a visual impact widely used to present views and ideas on any topic. Differentiate between standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. Standard toolbar, this bar is placed below the menu bar. It contains the shortcut icons for most frequently used. Formatting toolbar, it is placed below standard toolbar. It contains the icons which are commonly used to format a slide. Define term placeholder. Placeholder are the dotted marks border that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes hold title and body text or objects such as charts, tables, pictures, etc. Slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components on the slides. A layout contains placeholders which in turn hold text such as titles, bulleted list and slide contents such as tables, charts. What do you understand by slideshow? LibreOffice Impress provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like the pictures in the photo album. It displays all the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. Students, this is chapter 8 of class 4. Now the class 4 has 9 chapters and this will finish the question answer series of class 4. And if you wish to learn full chapter, then you can go to playlist section of our channel and you can see the full video of chapter 8 class 4. Okay, I hope this video is beneficial and thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love. Have a nice day.